This outfit is boho and 70s, and it inspired my hairstyle. It is so offbeat that I thought, why not? Let's do the absolute easiest boho hairstyle imaginable. If you're curious, please keep watching. You've seen the outfit. I did my makeup off camera, and now it is time to do my hair. Since my outfit is very, very, very boho, and my hair is very, very afro, I am just going to roll with it. This is probably the easiest way you can style your hair ever if you've got my hair texture. So I'm going to get my wide tooth comb, and I am going to comb it out in sections. The reason I'm avoiding this front section right here is because it is literally cemented down with the hair gel I have, the only hair gel I have, which is what I use for my curly styles, and I can't comb it. So now I'm just gonna keep that, and I'm going to add this turban wrap. Like my ears to show, so and here is the final look with the easiest textured hairstyle ever. If you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. My name's Mimi, and see you later.